What's up, everyone? It's your favorite optometrist, Dr. Darryl. Today I want to talk to you guys about a game changer. Yes, a game changer. Transition Signature Gen 8. This lens is amazing. It has faster activation, quicker fade back time, it gets darker, and a clearer lens. Overall, this lens has completely changed the game when it comes to photochromatic lenses. Today I just want to show you guys what I received in the mail. Yes, look at that marketing, that packaging. I mean, Transitions, when they go in, they basically go in and make things happen. I mean, this is pretty spectacular. Let's open it up and take a peek and see how this lens really works. All right, and even the inside is some pretty cool little confetti. I mean, hey, it's a party, right? Why not? I mean, it's Transitions Gen 8. So let's take a peek here. The one thing that I really love about this lens technology is how clear the lens are. I mean, that's pretty phenomenal, very clear, all right? So let's take a peek and see how this lens works. Well, number one, I love the way I look. These frames are very fly, and as an optometrist, eye care professional, you always gotta be fly, all right? But look how clear these lenses are. I mean, that's pretty phenomenal. Let's do the next thing. Let's step outside and see how quick these bad boys activate, all right? I want you guys to follow me along on this adventure. And again, what I'm wearing right now is the Transitions Signature Gen 8 lens. Faster activation, quicker fade back time. Oh yeah, these are stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. A little bit of an overcast day, but look how quickly these lenses are getting dark. Oh yeah, oh yeah. See guys, this is some pretty cutting edge technology. I really love what Transitions has done. They have really changed the game. As you can see, these lenses are pretty dark, and I'm just protected 100% from UVA, UVB rays. I mean, you name it. All those ultraviolet rays, I'm getting 100% protection from. On top of that, I have some blue light protection as well. When it comes to lens technology and lighting conditions that can bother your patients, you definitely want to check out Transition Signature Gen 8. It's a game changer.